Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to mirror your screen from your iPhone to your Mac. If you want to mirror your screen, you can do it in 2 or 3 ways depending on where you are located. I'm gonna show you the 2 ways that are available for everyone, and the last one is I'm gonna just tell you about it. You can so the option that's available for now only in the US, you can go to Launchpad and open the iPhone mirroring app if you can find it somewhere, and then you can configure it, but it works only if you are signed in to the same Apple account on both devices. But now I'm gonna show you 2 ways to just mirror screen like normally. The first one is gonna be wireless, and the second one is gonna be through a wire. The wireless one requires you to go into settings on your Mac, then general, airdrop and handoff. Make sure that AirPlay receiver is on, and then allow AirPlay 4. It must be set to either current user, anyone on the same network, or everyone, and it depends on which iPhone you want to use to AirPlay from. So if you're using your own iPhone and your own Mac, then select current user. If you're using your someone else's iPhone or someone else's Mac, then you can set it to anyone on the same network, but then you have to be on the same network, or set it to everyone, so you don't even have to be on the same network. But when that is set, then other people may connect to it and interrupt you as a joke in public places, so it really depends on you. It's not recommended to have everyone enabled in public places. I'm gonna set it to anyone on the same network. Then slide down from the right top part of my screen on an iPhone and click on this button, which is screen mirroring. Then select the MacBook I want to screen mirror to, then click on accept. Now I'm gonna enter the AirPlay code, but if it's your own Mac, then you don't need to do it. And now it's mirroring wirelessly. To disconnect, either click on screen mirroring again and click on stop mirroring, or you can also find the X in top left corner on your Mac. Now I'm gonna show you the way to do it through a cable. Connect a cable that supports sending data both to your Mac and your iPhone. Now when they are both connected, you may get prompted if you want to trust your computer. Then click on trust and enter your password. Remember that then it's gonna also send data, so I would recommend only doing that with your own Mac, so it doesn't sync your data with someone else's Mac. And then go to Launchpad and find QuickTime Player. Then when it's on, you can see here that it's on. Click on File, New Movie Recording, and by default it's gonna open your camera probably. No, it has opened my iPhone already. But if it opens your camera, then go into this menu with this arrow next to the record button and select your iPhone from the screen section. And then it's gonna stream from your iPhone like that. And you can also go here, click here to start recording the screen from your iPhone on your Mac. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.